an ambulance?
No.
Are you a diabetic?
No.
Notice the first thing the cop asks? It is not about being nice. He is killing the medical excuse right now so the guy cannot flip the story in court later.
Okay. Are you okay?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Where are you coming from?
Yeah. No. I'm fine.
What?
Fine.
You're fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah.
Trying to get his ID. He's either going to be Signal 1 or it's going to be a medical episode. Call me med, please. Okay. Sir, where are you coming from?
Yeah. Just my.
This is your debit card.
Yeah.
This is not your driver's license. I asked for your ID.
Yeah.
Okay.
His brain is cooked, but his hands remember the bar routine. He is on pure autopilot, reaching for a credit card because that is what he has been doing all night.
So take that back. Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah.
Sir, I'm asking for your identification, not your debit card. I need your driver's license, not your Chase debit card. Do you understand what I'm telling you? Sir, look at me. I'm asking for your driver's license.
Yeah.
Your license. You are handing me a debit card. Do you know who the president is?
Yeah.
Who's the president?
Obama.
Obama?
Yeah.
When the short-term memory goes dark, the brain hunts for anything solid. For this guy, his world stopped in 2016. He is literally time traveling right now.
Okay, how many quarters are in a dollar?
Step out.
Hey, let's get him out.
Come on, step out. Come on.
Hey, do we have his keys now?
These are not far off. Might be still close enough. All right.
Take him out, Cody? Yeah.
What's going on today, sir? You hurting anywhere?
No.
Okay, what year is it? 1993? Okay. You're not hurting anywhere?
No.
All right. All right, lean up against the car for me. Spread your feet.
He pissed himself.
I know. Spread your feet.
No, hold on. You're not getting in yet.
Spread your feet, okay?
You're under arrest, all right? For DUI.
Put your hands up. Yep, put your hands facing me. Okay. Let me see your other hand real quick. All right. Like you said, you're being placed under arrest for suspicion of DUI, okay?
Timothy Toporek was hit with charges for fleeing and eluding, reckless driving, and driving under the influence. He thought refusing a breath test would save him, but he forgot that the camera caught everything, from the bank card reflex to the total loss of bodily control. This footage is way more damaging than a blood alcohol number. It shows a complete mental shutdown that a machine just cannot capture. Should people who drive the wrong way face attempted murder charges? Let us know what you think in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to Blue Line Raw to catch the next case. Stay safe and watch out for each other.